Hello everyone, welcome to the new video with a new chapter, subject verb agreement. So let's start the chapter. Chapter 10, subject verb agreement. So read the following sentences carefully. A cow is in the field. The cows are in the field. Right? So in the above sentence 1, the subject cow is in singular. Cow जो है वो singular में है. So the verb is वो भी singular में है. In sentence 2, subject cows plural में है. तो verb are जो है वो भी plural number में है. So the verb must agree with its subject in number. तो verb जो है अपने subject जो number से agree करना चाहिए कि वो singular है या plural है. Now read the following sentences carefully. I am a doctor. You are a patient. Now in the above sentence 1, the subject I first person है. तो I first person के साथ हम am, I के साथ am use करते हैं. In sentence 2, the subject you is in second person में है. तो verb जो है वो are है. So thus we can say a verb must agree with its subject कि verb को agree करना चाहिए अपने subject के साथ in number and person. Rules for subject verb agreement के rules क्या होते हैं? Use a singular verb with a singular subject. Singular verb को singular subject के साथ हम use करेंगे. The car is in the garage. This flower smells good. तो in the above sentences subjects में car and flower are in singular number में है. Hence the verb is and smells ये are in singular number. ये सब singular में है. Use a plural verb with a plural subject. Cars are in the garage. One of the books was new. One of the books were new. These flowers smell good. ये correct है, ये incorrect है. So in this sentence, the subject one and the verb was, they are both singular है. So it is incorrect using the verb were, क्योंकि इसके साथ हम were use नहीं कर सकते. First, always use a singular verb को हम each, someone, either, anyone, neither, nobody, one, somebody, no one, anybody, everyone and everybody के साथ हम यूज करेंगे. No one was present in the hall. Hall में कोई भी present नहीं है. Everyone is worried. Neither of the boys reading. So in this sentence, neither एक subject है और not जो है of the boys. So words some, any, all, most that may take singular या plural verb ले सकते हैं. Depending upon उनके use क्या है sentence में. Most of the water is polluted. ज़्यादातर जो पानी है वो polluted है. Singular. Most of the students are absent. Plural. All of the payasam was gone, singular. All of the children were late, plural. Now subjects joined by and, वो plural verb लेते हैं. हमने and से join किया तो वो plural verb लेंगे. Subjects joined by or से join कर रहे हैं, nor से join कर रहे हैं, अगर तो वो take लेंगे verb agreeing with the last subject. Jay and Mani are playing. Neither Aman nor his friends are coming. Chavi or Deepa eats mangoes. Now in the sentences starting with there and here, the subject is usually found. Subject जो usually found होता है on the in the sentence. So verb should agree with the subject. There are 5 goats in the field. Goats जो है 5 goats थी field के अंदर. Subject is goats plural. तो verb जो use हुआ है वो are है. There was a king in India. So was agrees with the subject king. Collective nouns army, jury, crowd, orchestra, audience, flock, public, class. Group, swarm, club, herd, team, committee, etc. That may take a singular या फिर plural verb लेता है depending on their use in the sentence. कि उनका use क्या है sentence में. The orchestra is playing a hit song. तो orchestra is considered as one unit, singular मानेंगे. Orchestra were asked to give their musical backgrounds. उनको देने के लिए बोला था. तो orchestra is considered as separate individual, plural. Expressions of time, money, measurement and weight ये usually singular होते हैं. When the amount is considered 1 unit. जब amount को आप 1 unit मानते हो तब. 5,000 rupees too much to ask. 7 days is not enough time. Sometimes such terms are also used in plural sense में भी हम कई बार use करते हैं. There were 20 minutes to arrive the train. ट्रेन को आने में भी 20 minutes है. Some nouns, mums, economics, social studies, economics, measles, civics, physics, gymnastics, news, mathematics seem plural in form. ये सब हम plural में लगते हैं but they are actually singular in meaning. और वो actually होते हैं singular. Like civics is an interesting subject. Economics is taught by Mr. Sharma. So I hope you all have understood the chapter. Go through it again. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.